Hi, I'm Krista from Akindi. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into Akindi Author. Welcome to Akindi Author. Akindi Author functions just like a Word document, so I can use my keyboard to type a question. When I click Enter on my keyboard, I can add an answer option. When I click Enter twice, Akindi will create a new question. Alternatively, I can upload my questions from a docx file. Here is the document that I'll be uploading. Akindi was designed for you to upload your existing test question document, so there's no special formatting required. My questions are numbered, my answers are lettered, and I've indicated the correct answer key using either boldface, italics, or a different colored font. Click Import Test Questions, select the desired document, and click Import. Akindi has successfully identified my questions, answers, and answer key, and is highlighting any issues that need to be resolved. The date and title wasn't able to be identified as a question or an answer, so I can delete those using my keyboard. I can make additional changes like adding new questions and answers, reordering responses, and entering the answer key. Click the options icon next to each question to control the weight and grading scheme of the question. As you make edits, Akindi will automatically save your drafts. Once you've resolved all the issues, click Save and Continue. We are always working to make assessments easier and faster for instructors. So if you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions, please reach out to me and my team through our live in-app chat. We'd love to hear from you.